Sige po. Ito lang. Para may copy lang. Pwedeng paiklihan siya ate, depende lang sa kung paano niyo sasabihin.
Okay. Bakit may trivia? Bagong segment?
Sa box po.
There one. Sa'yo na to.
Buy nyo na po, Bella by Bella.
Pwede sa under foundation, pwede on top. Ako nalagay ko under.
Ako meron akong nilalagay talaga bago ng foundation.
Bago ng foundation. Para ano,
I think this is
thank
the
you.
new one that I'm gonna put now.
Aww, thank you
For
so
my
much.
face.
Maraming
First.
salamat.
As my entrepreneur friend, we're adulting.
We're
Right,
adulting.
ate? Oo na lang.
Oo, ano lang.
Hindi ko makakain ako.
Oh, kuya.
Follow me.
Yeah, I follow.
You're pretty now. Come on.
Thank you so much. Okay na yan, balang si Batman.
You have
Kilay na.
this.
Yeah,
Is
it's
this
so
nice?
good. I like it.
Hi, beautiful ladies. You want to say, oh,
Ah.
You're so pretty naman.
I was trying to buy on your live the other day. Your first ever live.
Ah.
I'll send you.
No, I wanted to support. Ay,
Grabe
nakalagay.
You're
naman
naka-live.
yung
Say hi.
pink.
Yeah,
I wanted to
Look at your
support
nose.
and buy.
Look at your
Pero
nose.
it was sold out.
Oh,
It was
my
sold out.
nose
for that
is
way,
like blushed.
So
No,
bagay
I wanna
sa'yo.
buy. I wanna
Pero may
support.
filter yung mukha ko.
Oh.
Oo nga, may filter. Paano ba tanggalin yung filter ng TikTok?
Ah, hindi. Meron na talaga ata.
Ah, talaga?
Tanong natin si Mr. TikTok.
Ay,
Babae ba
nakita
siya?
yung totoong mukha natin, gano'n.
But beautiful ladies, I will
You're
leave
leaving
you.
na.
Yes.
Nice to see you.
Sorry, I smell like,
So pretty.
You
Grabe
guys,
naman. But congrats! Thank you!
Congrats.
Nag-pink yung ano ko.
Yo, Ma'am, I send you. Ay.
Tsaka ito nag-pink.
O yung coach ko nagbo-boxing daw sa village mo, nakikita ka daw. Sabi niya, gusto niya sumaba boxing, running, si Coach Bok, tumatakbo sila sa LG.
Sa village ko?
Oo. Kung gusto mo daw tumakbo.
Sa village ko.
Oo.
Si Coach Bok. Ah, taga doon siya.
Hindi, meron siyang client na taga doon.
Magkano isa?
Sige na yan, Ma'am. Sige.
Hindi, magkano isa? Pero nalan sila.
$349 only for 1 year na yan.
Ganyan mukha mo.
$349 only.
349 lang to.
Yeah, $349 for this look.
Ah, so amazing. I'm so proud of you,
Oh,
Mom.
thank you so much, Moms. Moms, alam ko sino yung gusto bumili ng bag.
Sino?
Si Ate Natalie, pinipilit niya ako kanina ipadala sa LA kasi pupunta si Kyle. Sabi ko, Ate Nat, kung sold out siya sa website, sige, tatanungin ko si
Meron
Kim.
sa Monday. As in...
Hindi, classic yung gusto niya, yung black na, yung binigay mo sa akin na yellow. Remember? Hi po!
Ate Bella for
Yes.
Yellow. Ah, gusto niya? Pwede ka
Gusto niya black. Pero
Meron,
same
meron.
yung yellow ko. Pwede ba? Isabay ko kay Kyle.
May trivia ka po ba for 24th?
What?
Trivia for 24th.
Oh, wow, wow.
Bibigyan mo ako.
Sa, sige po. Ito lang. Para may copy lang. Pwedeng paiklihan siya ate, depende lang sa kung paano niyo sasabihin.
Okay. Bakit may trivia? Bagong segment?
Sa box po, may hawak po kayong yung year, yung box na hawak niyo po may
Mag-picture
year.
lang ako.
Bawat
Oh,
year
sige.
po no, dapat may trivia kayo. Mas better po dapat kung personal trivia nyo like.
Sa personal na buhay ko?
Yung